The Sticky World of Slime, a toy for all ages. Now you've learned about slime. You can try making your own. Remember, slime is safe to touch, but not to eat. So don't put it in your mouth. Gather the following ingredients before you start. 100 milliliters white PVA glue. 0.5 tablespoon sodium bicarbonate. Food coloring. 1 tablespoon contact lens solution. 1. First, you'll need to squeeze the glue into a large bowl. Add sodium bicarbonate and mix it well. 2. Next, add a few drops of food coloring. The more you add, the brighter the color will be. Stir again. 3. Then, throw in the contact lens solution. This will make the glue less sticky. Now, keep mixing until the ingredients bind and the slime forms. It will be ready when you notice the mixture stops sticking to the bowl. 4. Finally, take the slime ball out and knead it like dough. It might be sticky at first, but it will soon feel smooth. Now your slime is ready to play with. Seal it in a container when you're not using it to make it last longer.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Laura.
And it's time to make our own slime.
Woohoo!
Yeah, did you know you guys can make this at home actually?
I didn't know that.
I didn't either until I saw this article. So I guess we can make some for fun.
Okay, let's do that.
And if it fails, we'll just go buy some.
Yeah, that's because they're cheap.
I know. All right, so let's continue reading or let's start looking at this article. How do we make slime? It says, now you've learned about slime, you can try making your own.
Woohoo! OK， 这里我们一开始就用 now you've now 作为连接词用的话呢，也可以写为 now that blah blah blah， 就是既然怎么样怎么样。所以既然你已经了解史莱姆，你可以尝试自己制作。
It says, remember, slime is safe to touch, but not to eat. So don't put it in your mouth, please. Oh my gosh, I really don't know who would take slime and put it in their mouths. But I guess it's more for children, like really young children.
OK， 所以要记住特别的哦。我觉得我们大人应该不可能吧，就是史莱姆是可以，它很安全，可以碰，但是你不能吃，所以不要把它放在嘴里 ，OK？ 它不是 QQ 糖。
Oh, maybe that's what kids think it is. It's
Yeah, because it looks
big gummy bear.
Yeah, they can shape it into a bear and say, "Oh, it's a super big gummy bear. Can I eat it now?"
So cute. Okay, it says, gather the following ingredients before you start. Now, an ingredient is like one of the things that you use to make maybe a particular food or dish. This is like if you want to bake a cake, you would need like flour, eggs, sugar, and all of these things. So these things are called the ingredients. Now let's take a look at what we need. So it says we need 100 milliliters white PVA glue, 0.5 tablespoon sodium bicarbonate, food coloring, 1 tablespoon contact lens solution. Okay, so these are actually kind of easy things to get, actually.
OK， 所以在开始之前，我们要怎么样？我们一定要以下的什么呢 ？The following ingredients。Ingredients 就是有成分啊、原料。通常我们在想到说煮饭的时候就会用到这个字，但我们这里没有，不要吃哦，不能吃哦。所以我们要的是什么呢？就是100毫升的White PVA glue 就是白胶，那再来就是0.5茶匙的 sodium bicarbonate， 是什么呢？就是碳酸氢钠。但是大家可能还是问号，这是什么呢？它就是小苏打粉啦，还有食用色素以及1茶匙的I didn't know this contact lens solution 可以拿来做这个 slime 哦，就是隐形眼镜液、冲洗液这样子的意思。因为 contact lens 是隐形眼镜，所以呢，它的 contact lens solution 就是隐形眼镜冲洗液。I had no idea.
I know, I didn't know.
对啊，为什么要放这个
So easy. Okay, it looks easy for now. Okay, solution is a noun and it means a liquid in which something is dissolved or mixed into, so it becomes a part of that liquid. Okay, this is science here for you guys. For example, we can say, after you stick the swab into your nose, put the swab into the solution and wait 15 minutes to see if you've tested positive for COVID. Okay, remember the COVID test we did?
I don't want to remember.
All the things that we stuck the cotton swab in, that was a solution to test if you had COVID or not.
I got so professional afterwards. Like, 我就完全都不怕，就直接戳在鼻子里 because I want to know if I'm tested positive or not.
And we had to poke it so often.
对啊，因为我那时候如果一流鼻水，我就 like poke it. Okay, solution, what is that? 就是溶液 ，OK， 就是有水的东西啦。So when you add sugar to water and it disappears, you've made a solution. Okay, so that's a noun.
Ooh, nice little scientist there. Okay, so what are the steps? It says, 1. First, you'll need to squeeze the glue into a large bowl, add sodium bicarbonate, and mix it well. So sodium bicarbonate is aka baking soda.
这很简单诶，第一步，首先你需要将白胶挤入一个大碗当中，加入小苏打粉，然后充分的搅拌 ，mix
it well. Step 2, number 2, it says, next, add a few drops of food coloring. The more you add, the brighter the color will be, and stir again.
Can I choose the color? Like
yeah,
pink?
For sure. Oh, I want a pink one too.
Oh my God.
And I want glitter.
可以吗？
I wonder if we can add glitter. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you can use any food coloring, any color that you like. Add it into this thing first, and then you have to stir again. Stir is a verb, and it means to move like a liquid or substance around with like a spoon, and you mix it around so that it goes completely, blended together. So we can use it in a sentence like this. The evil witch poured some potions into her pot and stirred it.
OK， 好，那接下来要干嘛？第二步，加入几滴食用色素。你加的越多，颜色就会越鲜艳。那我要那个 hot pink， 好不好？然后再次搅拌。Stir 就是搅动、搅拌，它是一个动词。我想到的是没有那么恐怖，不是 evil witch 的是 To make the perfect cup of hot chocolate, you need to stir the cocoa into the milk until it's all mixed.
I would love a cup of hot chocolate right now.
因为现在很冷，对不对？
I'm freezing. My toes are like popsicles, but yes, that's a really great example. Step 3, it says, then throw in the contact lens solution. This will make the glue less sticky.
Oh, that's so cool. I'm like, 什么啊？为什么要隐形眼镜清洁液
That is so cool, actually.
Well, 我家里很多，所以然后可以加入这个东西，隐形眼镜的清洁液。原来这会使胶变得不那么黏呢。Interesting.
That is so cool. I didn't know. It's funny, like both of our
我
reactions.
想说
Like,
加水啊，就好啦。
I know, right? That's funny. Then it says, now keep mixing until the ingredients bind in the slime forms. Okay, it's a lot of mixing and stirring. And we have to keep doing this until it binds together. Bind is a verb, and it means to put something together. Like, we can physically bind things like, okay, we can bind things with a rope, string, or etc. But here, this bind means like the substances need to stick together. And it could mean like the liquids kind of come together or the substances come together. It's a scientific word. It's a little bit difficult to understand. But here's a sentence for you. Hopefully it'll help. It says, adding a bit of glue binds all of the materials together.
OK， 那再来下一个步骤是什么呢？他说现在继续搅拌，直到材料结合，史莱姆就形成了。其实听起来超快就可以做出来耶。Bind 就是在本课当中是使粘合的意思，它是个动词，所以要注意一下它动词三态的变化。Bind, bound, B-O-U-N-D, bound, okay? For example, glue can bind two pieces of paper together, making them stick to each other. 胶水可以将两张纸粘在一起，使它们相互，反正就是粘起来。
Okay, then the article says, it will be ready when you notice the mixture stop sticking to the bowl. Okay, so how will we know? Okay, there. That's when we know. Okay, so a mixture is a noun and it means a combination of different things. It can be like substances mixing together into one thing, like a cake batter, or it can be two different things, like a mixture of nuts and raisins. So, for example, we can say in our science experiment, we wanted to use the best mixture for the lava for the volcano.
I actually want to try this. I wonder if it's that easy. It sounds easy so far.
And the material, the ingredients are very easy to
I'm gonna
get.
try it when I go home tonight.
I know.
Okay. 所以要怎么样知道说我们不是在那边搅。然后当你注意到这个混合物不再粘在这个碗上，就准备好咯，这等于就是史莱姆已经 OK 咯。Mixture， 我们知道 mix 这个动词是混合，所以 mixture 是它的名词，就是混合物。For example, a fruit salad is a delicious mixture of different fruits chopped up and combined. 水果沙拉是不同的水果切碎，然后并且结合在一起的美味的混合物。That's a yummy mixture.
It is. Yums. Okay, next it says, finally take the slime ball out and knead it like dough. Okay. Okay. One more step. Okay. Not ready yet. When you knead something, it means you press and stretch things like dough for like bread or clay. And dough, okay, what is that? It's basically a mixture of flour and water. And like I said, it's used to make bread or cookies or cake. So you kind of pretend and you make it, I think you have to kind of pretend it's like bread or something.
So it's like evenly kind of like sticky,
yeah,
I guess.
So like just so you can get all of the things, I guess, together.
对啊 OK, 所以我们刚刚有提到有一些比较难的字，不过很像在做面团Knead, OK, 就是揉啊捏，它是一个动词，而 dough 就是生面团，所以最后这个 step 了Step 4, 最后就是取出史莱姆团，并且像这个揉面团一样的揉啊揉。Interesting.
It says, the article says, it might be sticky at first, but it will soon feel smooth. Now your slime is ready to play with. Okay, so that's why we kind of have to knead it, because when you take it out immediately, it's too sticky. But once you knead it and you get maybe, I guess, some warmth or something, get some temperature on there, it will be smooth and ready to play with. When something is smooth, it's an adjective. It means that it's very flat, even, there's no roughness, there's no holes. It feels kind of all the same consistency. For example, we can say, the kids slid around in socks on the smooth floor.
Yeah, I really have to make this to know how sticky it gets.
I
wonder. Okay, 所以一开始大家可能在做的时候想说，哈，什么啊？怎么太黏有点黏。但很快呢，可能就是要透过你揉它的过程，它就会变得比较光滑。那最后他就说，现在的史莱姆已经准备好可以玩喽。那 smooth 这个形容词就是有平滑的意思 ，OK， 但是 smooth 还有另外一个意思就是调均匀的 ，OK， 举例来说，smooth peanut butter is creamy and spreads easily on bread， 意思就是顺滑的花生酱就像奶油似的，很容易涂在这个面包上。
Yummy. That sounds good. Okay, now I think our slime is finally ready. What can you do? Next, the article says, seal it in a container when you're not using it to make it last longer. Okay, so yes, you can maybe make a lot of slime, like all at once. And what you can do to make sure that you can keep playing with it is to put it in a container. Now, a container is something used to store things or hold things in. So like maybe at home in the kitchen, you'll see like your mom putting the fruits in a container, or maybe like leftovers in a container. That's what it is. And the reason for that is you want to seal it. Seal is a verb and it means to put something in a very closed space, like a container. So any liquid, air, or whatever cannot get in or out. You keep it nice and fresh. We can use seal in a sentence like this. The butcher sealed the meat into the bag, so I'll be able to safely cook it later. Yummy.
Nice. Okay. 所以呢，我们现在都知道史莱姆玩啊玩，可是如果你不玩它的时候要怎么办呢？它会不会就烂掉 ？OK， 所以不使用的时候，请将史莱姆密封在容器当中，这样子可以延长保存时间。那 seal S-E-A-L 是这样的拼法，它是就是封或是密封的意思，它是一个动词。For example, to keep your snacks fresh.Be sure to seal the bag tightly after opening it. 我真的很爱吃零食，所以为了要保持我的零食很新鲜，我一定打开后就会确保要把袋子密封的紧紧的。其实 seal 在口语也有一个很可爱的用法，就是有时候你要说，我不会把你八卦说出去，就是我嘴巴会很紧，就是。Don't worry, my lips are sealed. Now, spill it. 赶快跟我讲你的 secrets. 或者是 gossip. 我想要听八卦 OK. 但通常嘴巴说自己很紧的人都是大嘴巴，不要相信他 OK. 那我们刚刚还提到最后一个 container 这个字，其实就是容器。任何的食物啊，其实它都要装在不同的容器啊，便当盒啦，或者是 like ice cream. They're kept in an ice cream container.我现在好想吃 ice cream 哦
I know, and I want to eat snacks too.
对啊，会不会在看这个 slime 的时候一直在想到零食？因为 because they're making it, it's like cooking. Like all the steps and the ingredients and everything makes you think about cooking.
I know, but don't eat it. Don't eat slime. Remember, don't put it in your mouth.
Okay.
It's all glue.
Kids might actually do that.
I know, because they think
it looks so fun.
It looks like a big gummy bear. All right.
Okay, we're going to a For You Chat question, right?
Okay, now our question is, would you be interested in making your own slime? Why or why not?
Come to think of it, maybe not. I'm not interested in making my own slime because I'm a bit germophobic. I'm afraid of germs. In other words, 我有一点洁癖, and the thought of getting my hands dirty and having to wash them afterwards doesn't appeal to me. Yeah, also I'm a bit lazy when it comes to cleaning up after activities. It's like I love cooking.But like cleaning
You don't want to
up,
wash it. You don't want to do the dishes.
It's like, George, can you do the cleaning? My boyfriend is
That's
George.
funny.
对啊. What about you? What about you? Do you think?
I think maybe.
I don't mind going to your place and making this so then you get to clean up.
Oh, no. Or maybe we should get our students to make it.
It's like, okay.
The mom's going to be so mad.
然后妈妈在那边收
But I'm thinking maybe if you want to make it, what if you wear like gloves? Like right? Would that work?
Right, that should work.
But I don't want to use like I said, I don't want to wash the dishes.
Okay, you can come to my place since I just moved in to a new place. So yeah, maybe we could try it.
Yeah, or we can just like ask our students to make. Do you want to make some slime with me?
Make their places messy.
Yeah,
just like
it's
okay, 我们去你家弄
I'll bring some presents for the mom so she doesn't get mad.
She's like, okay, next time no more slime make DIY classes.
But surprisingly, it's so easy. I had no idea that you only needed these ingredients that maybe you can just get at home. Because like I wear contact lenses. I have the solution. Baking soda is easy to find. So yeah, I think I would definitely try it.
Okay, that's cool. But we're out of time and we actually want to go home and try this if we have time.
Yeah.
Or go to our students' place to actually make slime, make them fun, okay? Yeah, so maybe you guys can think about this For You Chat question. Would you be interested in making your own slime? Why or why not?
Yes, but that unfortunately is all the time that we have for today. We'll miss you guys. So we'll see you next time then. Bye.
Vocabulary Review.
Solution. The science teacher asked the students to wear gloves when handling the solution because it is not safe for the skin. Stir. Remember to slowly stir the noodles as they cook so they don't stick together. Bind. To make this cake, first add an egg to the flour and sugar mix to bind everything together. Mixture. This drink is a mixture of juices from several kinds of fruits and vegetables. Smooth. At night, The wind stopped, and the lake was so smooth that it looked like a mirror. Seal. You should seal that bottle properly in case the water gets out in your bag.
智慧小补帖
Ingredient: Sodium bicarbonate. Knead. Dough. Container: